Okay, we're going to work the first problem on the worksheet, Counting Practice for Sets. The first problem, 80 people were surveyed on their favorite sports. It was found that 35 liked baseball, 32 liked basketball, 40 liked football, 15 liked basketball and football, 11 liked baseball and football, 12 liked baseball and basketball, and 7 people liked all 3 sports. We need to answer the 3 questions. How many did not like any of the 3 sports? How many liked baseball only? How many liked baseball and football, but not basketball? To solve this problem, we'll do a Venn diagram and fill in the numbers in each portion of the Venn diagram for how many people liked every possible combination. So draw a rectangle to represent the universal set, and I'll put a U in the top left corner for universal set. I'll put a circle for one of the sports. We'll call that one baseball. Another circle for another sport. I'll call that one basketball. And a circle for the third sport, which is football. I'm going to go ahead and label baseball in the baseball circle, basketball in the basketball circle, and football in the football circle. To work these problems, start from the bottom. 7 liked all 3 sports. So, in the middle, where the 3 circles intersect, we'll put 7. For 7 liked all 3 sports. From there, we'll work our way up. 12 liked baseball and basketball. So you have to find the portion on the Venn diagram for baseball and basketball, and that's this part right here. Now you'll notice of the 12 who liked baseball and basketball, 7 are already counted since we have 7 liked all 3 sports. Those 7 people liked baseball and basketball along with football, but they also liked baseball and basketball. So we have to be careful not to count them twice. For this part of the Venn diagram right here, you have to think 12 minus 7 is 5. So 5 people liked baseball and basketball, but not football. We'll move up again on the chart. I get to 11. 11 liked baseball and football. So, have to identify the portion of the Venn diagram for baseball and football. And it's this part right here. It contains 2 regions. The people who liked all 3 sports and the people who like just baseball and football. Well, I have 11 there, but 7 of this 11 have already been labeled on the Venn diagram. So we'll do, for this portion, 11 minus 7. 11 minus 7 is 4. In this portion of the Venn diagram, put 4. 4 people liked baseball and football, but not basketball. We move up again on the list of who liked what, and I see that 15 people liked basketball and football. So let me identify the portion on the Venn diagram for basketball and football, and it's these 2 segments where basketball and football intersect. Now, of the 15 people who liked basketball and football, 7 have already been counted. The 7 who like all 3 also liked basketball and football. So we have to subtract. 15 minus 7 is 8. 8 people liked only basketball and football and not baseball. Moving up the chart, I get to see 40 liked football. Now we have to find the football circle, and I see that it's this bottom circle right here. 40 people liked football. In the football circle, we've already counted some of them. We have 8 who liked basketball and football, but not baseball. 7 who liked all 3, and 4 who liked baseball and football, but not basketball. What you have to do is add these numbers, 8 plus 7 plus 4. You'll get 19. Those 19 people, we have to be careful not to count them again. We have to subtract them from the 40 who liked football. So 40 minus 19 gives us 21, giving us 21 people who liked just football. And moving up the chart again, I have 32 liked basketball. So I'll take the ones who liked basketball. I need to subtract the ones already in the Venn diagram for liking basketball. And if I just kind of circle my basketball area on the Venn diagram, I can see that we already have 8 plus 7 plus 5 people counted. That totals 20 already in the chart. So I need to take 32 and subtract 20. 32 minus 20 gives us 12. 12 people liked basketball only. We have one more item to look at on our chart, and it's 35 people liked baseball. The baseball circle is the first one on my Venn diagram. And in the baseball circle, I already have 5 people who liked baseball and basketball, but not football. 7 people who liked all 3 sports, and 4 people who liked baseball and football, but not basketball. Add these numbers, 5 plus 7 plus 4. See, 5 plus 7 is 12. Plus 4 more is 16. So I need to go ahead then and subtract 35 minus 16. 35 minus 16 is 19. So that gives us 19 people who liked baseball only. Now, 80 people were surveyed. So I need to add up all the numbers in my Venn diagram and subtract that from 80 to find out how many people did not like any of the 3 sports. So I'll do 19 plus 5 plus 4 plus 7. That's everybody in the baseball circle. Plus 12 plus 8, including the ones in the basketball who were not counted yet, plus 21, including those in football who were not counted yet, and I got 76. That's everybody who liked one or more of the 3 sports. So what we'll do is do 80 minus 76 to get 4 people who did not like any of the 3 sports. For question A, how many did not like any of the 3 sports? That's 4. For question B, how many liked baseball only? On the Venn diagram, that's going to be the 19, the number of people inside the baseball circle who are not included in any of the other circles. Part C, how many liked baseball and football but not basketball? That's going to be the people inside the baseball and the football circle, but not all three. So 4 people liked baseball and football, but not basketball.